Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add an admin on your Facebook page. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook and click on your profile icon on the top right. Then you can select the little arrow on the top right. This should give you the option to open up your Facebook page, so you want to click on there. Then once you're on here, click on your profile icon again, should be in the top right. Then just select your name at the top. Once you're on here, select the three dots on the right hand side, and then you want to click on page status. Once you're on here, just scroll down and it should give you the option to manage admins, so you want to select that. And then at the top right hand side, it should give you the option to add new, so you want to select that. And it'll just give you some information about adding a new admin, and just select next at the bottom. And obviously just search for the person that you want to add. And once you've done that, it'll just give you some more information about what will happen when you give them access to your page. And then at the bottom, it'll allow you to give them full control if you want to do so. So you can obviously just toggle that on or off. And it will let you know anyone with full control can give access to others, remove anyone from the page, or delete the page as well. So just obviously bear that in mind. Once you're happy with that, just click on give access. And what you'll need to do is confirm your password, and that will send an invitation out to whoever you want to give access to. Thanks for watching.